Hey everybody, it's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are well. When you're jumping on, say hello, let me know where you're coming in from. Like and follow the business page. Check out my VIP, Telly's Talking Chalk, VIP. You can also find me on Instagram and YouTube at Telly's Talking Chalk. Let me just get this all figured out. And let's not make that so loud. It has been a while since I've been on, so I'm sorry for that. Oh. I think we're good. We got 2 people in here. Hello. Alright, so today we are going to be doing this little why do they want dinner every single night? We're having some technical difficulties, I think. But, okay. Things keep pausing and whatever. Let me know if you're seeing this, how it is on your end. Because it's super glitchy on mine. We are going to be fuzzing this because this is a new transfer. Fuzzing it is just putting it on a fuzzing cloth. Any cloth will do. Even my shirt could do it. We just want to do that so that when we put it down on the surface, it comes up nicely and doesn't stretch the transfer. Today we're going to be doing the hot mess technique. So it's just globbing on a bunch of the paste and smearing it all together, and it comes out kind of like marbling. I think that's the last time I'm going to do that. Let's throw that over there. Just bring this down just a tiny bit. Oh. If anybody knows me, I'm a little particular when it comes to the way things are in here. I don't know why, but I tend to be. So that is where we're going to have it. Now, I brought out some of the Easter colors because if it goes in the kitchen, and it's Easter time, so that's good. You just want to make sure that there's no bubbles in your silk screen. Now we're just kind of dabbing it wherever. I'm trying to put only a bit on because we don't want to waste too much, but this way almost always wastes some. And now we're going to do the yellow. I should hurry up just a tiny bit just because it is going to. I just realized I didn't put any of the yellow in 2 of the words. Alright, so now that I got all of that, and do want that there. And then some of that there. Ooh, okay. That was a lot in that one spot. Alright. Now I might not even have enough to do the W technically. because the whole idea is to just cover it all. Now keep in mind it's going to come off the silk screen when you're done. You're just going to wash it down and it'll be fine. But none of this extra you're going to take with you because it unfortunately doesn't really have anywhere to go at this point because you don't want to get all of the colors in the same container. Just making sure that everything is covered. Probably wanted to use a little bit more yellow than I did, but that's okay. Actually, Poe, can you do me one favor? Can you grab me the spray bottle for 1 second? I'm gonna try something really quick. Now keep in mind this is removable, so if you want to remove it, if it didn't work out the way that you wanted it to, you can always remove it and redo it. So all I did was spray a little glimpse of water just to see if it would help spread it just a little nicer. We're going to pull this up and see what happens. If I can get a corner. There we go. Now you want to pull this as evenly as you can, again, just because if it sticks too hard and you pull it unevenly, it's going to stretch or transfer and then not go down the right way again. Sorry about that. Oh, I figured, yeah. Okay, so I'm going to have to do this one over, but this is just how it's going to happen right now. I totally missed the top of the cheek. How did that happen? There we go. And there we go. That is the marbling technique. I did mess it up a little bit, but other than the little parts that got too wet, it's not too bad. I hope you liked this quick live. I know it's just a small one, but I will be back hopefully Wednesday. We'll see. And I will talk to you then. Bye, guys.